Welcome to the new shop. We moved about 2 weeks ago now, a week and a half ago or so, between Christmas and New Year's. We moved to a smaller town called Mustang, about 25 minutes southwest of our old location, and a little bit more country feel, smaller town, less traffic. So far we really like it here. This is a 30 by 50 shop that's sitting on the back side of my property. So we have two buildings on the property, this shop, and then there's another, they called it a detached garage, but it's like a 2-car garage that's sitting randomly with a huge long driveway on my property that I'm gonna utilize for the business as well. For now, storage, but I moved in here about a week ago. 30 by 50 metal building. It has lighting, everything set up. Got its own electrical meter back there in the corner. 80 outlets throughout the shop. We have central air, so not air conditioning, but central compressor air that the previous owner ran pipes all along these rafters, so you can just plug in. There's one up there, I don't know if you can see that, but you can just plug in your air hose and start blowing out air. I'm gonna plan on putting a compressor back there in the corner. About a week ago I started building this with my father-in-law and a friend of his. They helped me frame it. We put sheetrock up. I'm not too happy about the sheetrock. I wanted OSB, but OSB is so expensive right now. $29 a sheet, 4x8, and I was like, no, that's breaking the bank. So we put sheetrock up for now, and I think in the areas where we hang a lot of stuff, I might put some OSB over it later on when the price comes down a little bit. But yeah, because of Corona, because of several storms in the United States, the OSB price is just through the roof. But yeah, building, we built 3 rooms. We have a sanding room. That's a sanding room back there. It's going to be vacuum back in the corner, table, and possibly storage, more sanders right here. Put a door in here. That's all closed off, so it will stay, all the sawdust will stay in there. This is kind of like an office area, lobby, whatever you want to call it. Future desk right here. Computers and door. We have a door here. You might ask why so many doors. It's because of noise control. The machines are going to be in there. 1, 2, future machines 3, 4, and a door in here to keep the noise in. And we have a working area here where I can prep the signs and then walk in here, load it, start the machine, close the door, come out here, sit out here, and don't have to be bothered by the noise too much. And then we'll put another door in here to keep the noise and everything in there. And then we'll have shipping coming up right here. What else do we have? There are the doors laying around. We got more sheetrock. We got particle boards, 2x4s. I built a bench right here the other day. Nice long working area. And then here, this is kind of temporary, but we'll build this out better in the future. But I'm kind of pressed for time, so we used these shelves from my old shop. But basically, the board will come in here. We'll cut it, store it there, stack of, then through the drum sander, and then back, second side through the drum sander, come up here, and then stack, and then stain, and then storage, and then it kind of flows along and then goes into the machine shop. So that's kind of the plan for now. That's what I have. I did take a lot of time lapses last week and the past couple of days how I built this, and I'm just gonna roll the tape and see. That's an old term, roll the tape, but I'm just gonna splice together all these time lapses so you can kind of see what we've been doing the past week or so. So enjoy. Peace out.